Enkuminenkumu z'abahagizi ab'ekibiina kya NRM omu district ya Marachi bakira kuza kishaye kya Nadri Urban Secondary School okubaho nk'abajulizi okubaasa kwehurira eby'omwebembezi w'ihanga arikuza kubakorra yaheza kurabamu ah'enshuro ey'obwa president endiijo. Zaza kuhika shahi ibiri z'akasheshe ekishayi kyona kyaba kijwire abahagizi ab'ekibiina kya NRM boona bajwire erangi ez'ekibiina eki eza yero. Na bwanyuma shaha mukaaga omwebembezi w'ihanga ashendekerezibwa omukyara we Janet Kataha Museveni bahika aha kishayi kandi bayakirwa na Rukundo Mpango. Omuhwezi wa chairperson w'ekibiina kya NRM omu matemba ga Uganda Hamson Obuwa yashoborera ngu abantu aba Marachi beteekateekire okuheereza omwebembezi w'ihanga Karuru okureeba ngu basingira ahaiguru.
Your Excellency, we want to thank you so much for being a godly leader. It is so surprising that some candidates do not even have a manifesto but just attacking our president. But the God we serve is a living God.
Aha omwebembezi w'ihanga yabanza yaheereza omukazi we Janet Kataha Museveni okubaasa kubanza yaramusyaho abantu aba Marachi kandi aha Janet Kataha Museveni yashoborera ngu gavumenti ebaasize kukora ebirikwetaagisa byona okureebeka ngu ihanga lyatunguuka.
Because so far we have done a good job in building the foundation, and now we are going to build a modern Uganda. That's why our program says that we are protecting the gains, but we are taking a leap forward.
President omukugamba kwe yashoborera ngu abantu ab'omu Marachi biine okurinda obusinge obubiine barikumuheereza obushagiki omu karura karikwija. Ogu yayongera yashaba abanya-Uganda okwehara obwebembezi obw'enganda amadiini ekyarikugira ngu ekintu eki ni kimwe aha byabire bireetiire ihanga kuguma enyuma.
So that's why we say, please, you people, if you are clever, love Uganda because you all need it. Now, if somebody comes to me and says, we as Banyankwere, I tell him, Satan, go away. Because if I didn't have Uganda, I would not be prosperous like I am now.
Museveni yashoborera ngu buri munya-Uganda ahari aine kukunda mutaahi we hamwe n'okukunda ihanga lyabo Uganda aho kuba niryorerimu akatare k'ebintu ebiturukuhinga.
Clever people understand the value of Uganda. That's why we say patriotism, love Uganda, but also Pan-Africanism, love Africa.
Yagaruka yashaba abantu boona okwehara abantu abarikwija bakaba bihabiha ngu nibenda babaho obwebembezi batiine eki bakoriire ihanga ngu n'abandi nibaba nibenda kurumaraho.
I'm telling you that be careful about people who come and say, I have a political party, or I want to be a leader. A political party aiming at what? What are your aims?
Museveni yagaruka yabaraganisa okubakorera enguuto zoona ezitakakozirwe okureebeka ngu yayangusa aha nshonga eby'entambura omu kyanga eki.
We have worked on the road from Atiak, all the way from Guru actually, from Guru to Atiak, then coming all the way to Ajumani to Moyo.
Nzila ingazu Gurua, itazu Atiakia, itazu Ajumania, Kere Moyoari, Amasasi Ride, Adansi Sadi La Rupia Dabo, Amawaro Lamusi, Carpet, Aladini.
And from Moyo, now we are going towards Yumbe and Koboko.
Amasasi Dibini Nzila, Ingazu Moyoa, Pere Yumbia, Pere Kobokwadi, Amari Aria, Lamusi, Aladini.
And the other roads we are going to work on, like the one of Nebi, Goli, then you go to Zombo, you go to Paida, then you come all the way up to near Arua here.
Na bwanyuma omwebembezi w'ihanga General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni yaza mu district ya Koboko okubasa kweyongerayo n'orugendo rwe orw'okusherera obuhagizi. Gasha kwa Ronald Ngabirano aha Bw'Ediini West.